Hey guys, welcome to the Sustainable Life Habits channel. Today I'm taking you guys through the overhead press and why it's so valuable. So with that being said, let's get to it. Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going through our overhead press. This is one of the best shoulder exercises you can do. Why? Because it's a compound lift. What does compound mean? Now, a compound lift means that it's working more than one muscle group. So that you have your isometric working one muscle group, and you have your compound working multiple muscle groups. So what is it specifically working? This is going to really target your shoulders very good. You can load it up. It's also going to help to really engage the core. A very underrated, good core engagement on this exercise. So let's get to this exercise. So now let's talk about some grip. So as we approach our bar, we can see, of course, we have our rings here. We're going to be kind of looking to go somewhere. Now you can change it up. I like to use my pinky fingers, put it somewhere on there, and line up with the thumbs kind of on the side of the knurling there. And we're just going to get under. Now you can change your grip position where you want. I see some people go a little bit wider. I personally prefer to go a little bit narrower. I just find it's easier to hit my range of motion. So let's talk about how to unrack and re-rack this, which is a very crucial part. So when we go to this, what you commonly see is where you get kind of people where they're trying to lift right here. It's not what we want. We want to make sure that we take the brunt of the weight using our lower body and going through this. So as we approach our bar, we grab our grip. We're going to step up. You can see we're on a bit of an angle. Put our feet under the bar. We're going to bend those knees. Get right under the bar and extend the knees. So that's all the racking, or all the unracking movement right there. Bend the knees, extend, walk it out. And again, when it comes to re-racking, we're just gonna walk it back in. Instead of just flopping at the lower back, we're gonna bend those knees to drop it back down. All right. Now we're going to talk about a range of motion. Now this is probably the most common mistake that I ever see going on with the overhead press or shoulder press as a whole, is where people don't hit their proper range of motion. What is a proper range of motion? In my opinion, proper range of motion, that bar is going to come down right almost to the chest. A lot of times you see where people are coming down where the elbows are barely hitting 90 degrees. And to me, that's just not all right. Why? Because we build strength in this motion right here, but we've got zero strength right here. And if we care about functional fitness or how it carries over in everyday life, we're rarely pushing things like this. However, we might grab things right here and push them fully up. So in my opinion, we should have that strength starting from here all the way up. So with all that being said, let's finally get to this bar and actually take you through the overhead press. So once again, line your fingers, get under the bar, bend those knees, extend them, walk it out. Now the technique for this is we're going to squeeze our glutes. So we're going to squeeze our glutes. It just helps to tighten everything up. Don't zoom in on it, but we are squeezing the glutes right now. And all we're going to do, we got that full range of motion, bar is nice and low, and we're going to push it straight up. And as you can see, we're leaning a little bit back coming down. And as we extend it, that bar tends to go naturally backwards just a little bit. So again, most people stop at their range of motion right here or here. However, in my opinion, it should go right down to your chest. Proper, full range of motion. Every time we do any exercise, press it through, hold it at the top, bring it back down, and we're just gonna walk that bar back in. And there you have it, you guys. Overhead press. It's as simple as that. Thanks for checking in, and we'll catch you guys at the next one.